you'll feel more at ease here as you slowly home. The dining room table. I got to sit back in the pew. That wall. Neon sign. My legs hurt.
Hey, if you quit doing them lap dances over there, your leg will stop hurting.
I done ran into the trailer. I know, Chris. It's Sandy.
Well, yeah, they say what happens in the trailer hood stays in the trailer hood, but I'm putting this shit on YouTube when I get home.
Back in the day, you liked it.
Yeah.